everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Crafty.yarn.owl with Darla. I made a purchase from Queen's Crafts by Bridget. Hi Bridget, oh my goodness. She had shown me, she has a YouTube channel and that's the name of it, and I'll link it below. Make sure you guys go check her out. She is a darling. All right. So she sent me a message showing me some new fabric she got in, and she makes, yes she does, she makes project bags. And I'm like, oh, it has to have owls on it, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to order one. So she has the bags, and then she has the bag sets that come with a bag and a notions pouch. So I had to get the set. So we talked back and forth and on Messenger, and within a few hours she had it made and sent it out the next day. Wow, Bridget, I can't even remember what day I ordered this on, because it wasn't that long ago, really. I should have looked that up. I'm gonna look that up right now. I think I ordered it August 1st. She had it in the mail August 2nd. I mean, she had to make it first. And I got it today. Today is August 15th, I believe. She's in the States, I'm in Canada. So, yeah, not even 2 weeks. I think that's pretty good, actually. Yeah, so yay. All right, it's here, and it's in a pink bag. Bridget's favorite color. Okay, so let's open this up. She's got it taped like crazy. Okay. I don't want to show any personal information here. Okay, I'm excited. And I've seen her bags on Facebook, and wow, she does really nice work, you guys. Really nice work. Oh, there's a card. Oh. What am I doing? I'm ripping the envelope the wrong way. I'm just so excited. She says, thank you. No, thank you. And then, okay, thank you. Made by a queen for a queen. Oh, thank you, Bridget. Love you. Thanks. Love Queen's Crafts by Bridget. Aww. And then she's got these faces up here. And she sent me a stitch marker of a crown. Oh my gosh. Look at it, it's a crown. Very nice. Oh, of course it's a crown. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, oh, this is so nice. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look, guys. Look. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at all the owls. I love it. And then the gray. She asked what accent color I wanted, so I asked for gray, and it's lined with gray as well. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at those flawless seams. Wow. Oh, and it says on here, Queen's Crafts by Bridget, machine wash, tumble dry, low. Look at this. Oh. Okay, that's the washing instructions. Look at that. I love that tag. And it's fabric. Oh, and then on the back it says a queen's bag. Oh my. Wow, where did you get these tags made? Did you make them? No, I don't know. Maybe you did. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oops. Wow. Wow. Oh, I love it. And it's one of those bags that, you know, they're like this. One handle's longer than the other, and you just put it in here, and voila, it's closed. Yes. I think they're called Japanese knot bag, if I'm not mistaken. So this isn't all. This isn't all. Like I told you, I ordered a set. But look at those beautiful, beautiful owls. There's so many of them. Oh my gosh. And of course, you know, other side too. Oh. Oh my goodness. I love this. Oh, and the bottom. Let me show you the bottom. It's a flat bottom. Yes. Oh my gosh. You do beautiful work. Absolutely beautiful. And here's the pouch. The little notions pouch. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then she has this drawstring with this huge bead. That is so cool. Of course, this is lined as well. Oh my goodness. And then you just, I guess you pull it. I don't know. Oh, this way. Do I know what I'm doing? Yeah, you pull it to close it. I guess. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you so much, Bridget. Oh, wow. That is a different kind of a notions pouch. It is, oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much. So you guys, she has a site, I believe, or Etsy or something. She has something, I think. So whatever she has, I'm going to link below. You make sure you go check her out and check out her YouTube channel and every link that I put down there for her. Check them out. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love it. I can't say that enough. Wow. Oh my gosh. Just so many different kinds of owls on here, guys. Oh, there's so many different kinds. This is really beautiful fabric. Yes, where did you get this fabric? Probably from Hobby Lobby. I'm just kidding. I'm Canadian. I don't know. We don't get Hobby Lobby. But anyway, thank you so much. I'm just kind of giddy. I'm kind of giddy. Because this is great. Thank you so much. I love, 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 love my purchase. Thank you, Bridget. And everyone, please comment below. What do you think of these bags? Oh. So they're just amazing. So if you want to support a YouTuber, why don't you order one? All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. And thank you, Bridget, for my bag. I love it. I love both of them. Thank you so much. Okay, bye for now. So excited about the bag. I forgot to mention what I'm wearing. This is one of my designs. It's a one-piece summer cardigan. So it'll be linked below. All right, thank you guys. Bye.